don't forget to like and subscribe. So today a lot of things coming on. I'm gonna kind of go over how this volatility is really helping for the liquidity providers, right? So you can see that I have almost like this week was so good. Like in within days, I made thousands of dollars just providing liquidity. Right now, you can see that my pending. I'm kind of withdrawing this weekly, and right now you can see that it's just a little over 2,700. Really crazy amount of money within a week or so, probably week 10 days. But yeah, so I'm gonna kind of withdraw that liquidity, and also I'm gonna go over a little bit over charts, right? Like if you look at the Bitcoin, right? So if you look at the Bitcoin, like I think we hit all-time high and just now we hit. So let's look at the weekly, right? So if you look at the weekly chart, uh, yeah, weekly chart, you can see that we had previous high. We are kind of testing, we are kind of getting out of that zone, so that's really awesome. And okay, let's look at the rectangle. I like that. And if you look at right, that's our previous all-time high. We already passed, but we made a little bit high this year, but really consolidated. But seems like we are finally over that, right? So if you look at here, this is the zone, and we looks like, so as long as we are above 70,000, I think really the bull run is really getting started. Also today you saw that Fed reduce the interest once again, right? So with this lot of Trump presidency, Trump very favorable to crypto. He is strongly supporting crypto, so that's going to be a good news. Then Fed reducing, so I think there's going to be a lot of money flowing into crypto, right? So Bitcoin chart looks really awesome. Actually, it's a good time to like have a stop at 72, 71, and kind of go long if you want, right? If you look at the chart. Same with the IBIT is the Bitcoin ETF, and you can see that, right? Like finally, after so many months, it is breaking out. Exactly. Look at that. Like it hit all-time high of 40, and now it's right now at 43. I think this thing has pretty good chance of going to maybe 80, 90, 100 if Bitcoin kind of doubles from here. And I can see that. I can I can clearly see that happening, right? And it's a crypto, as you know, right? Anything can happen. And if you look at, right, I was buying this radium, actually radium around 10-15 cents. I wish I had a lot more than what I have. I have a decent amount, but this is crazy return. USDC, if you look at radium USDC, mm, radium Solana, so spot. Yeah, let's look at Binance. Yeah, let's look at the Binance. Uh, Come on, what happened? Re, uh, USDC. I was just like, it's crazy growth. We can really look at this one right here. Something with my chart. Uh, Reload. I don't know if it's gonna load it, but it's been acting out. And we look at the Solana chart and see Solana is also hitting. This is BTC USDC. We already covered, but if you look at USDC, and let's look at the Maxi, right? Okay. Of course, we don't have that. So let's look at daily, right? Or even we can look at uh, weekly or months. Weekly. Look at this. Radium has a crazy. Radium had all-time high of 16. Again, we are still, think about it. If it goes 16, it just still have long way to go. But literally, radium deep dive really hard, right? Like radium went from almost from $16 to basically low of 16 penny or something. So it went 99% down. And look at this right now. If you got it anywhere, doesn't matter whether you got it 30 cents or you got it 14, 15 cents. I think I got around 15 to 20 cents mostly. Some I might have got around 30 cents too, but I was just buying aggressively here. Not as aggressively I should have, I guess, right? So anyway, I was just buying a little bit of radium here, and that is like the small bag really becomes big bag, right? So if you look at from here to here, it literally went like 10 baggers, right? So 2900%. Where in the world do you see that, right? So that is that kind of money. If you pick, you don't even need to pick all, right? But if you pick, right, out of 10, 20, if you pick like 10 or 20 of those, you have a pretty good chance. And why you pick Radium is, again, right, Solana is pretty big, and if Solana goes, Radium is basically Uniswap of Solana, right? Everything's happened through that's where the volume is. So they make a lot of fee, right, with the volume coming in. So it's pretty straightforward, right? So now I'm gonna so chart, I'm gonna go at Solana chart. So USDC, and again, I think the bull run is really starting. I think still we have a lot of time. So we're gonna go with the Binance, and this is weekly, right? So if you look at here, same thing, right? Solana had really brutal from 250. We went down to like what? Not even, well, if you look at weekly chart, that's the other things, like you got to look at, like, see, in a week it did went down to like 26. I think it went down below to 9 or 10, but if you look at that, it had a strong support around 30, right? So strong around, and from 30 it just skyrocketed, actually, like when it kind of moved up, basically it hold a big support around 30, and boom, it just went there, right? It went to 110, and now it's been in this range for a while, and I think once it's go out of this $200, I think next is basically 250, right? And if it's 250, sky's the limit. But you can see that literally from $100, that's 20x. And this is no joke coin, right? This is pretty big coin, pretty big market. There's a lot of volumes, right? So again, right now Solana pretty high, but again, it can scale 2x, 3x. I can see that if you have like, I mean, if you have 6 to 9 trillion market cap in this bull run, we are there. I think it's, and again, a lot of people will say, oh, bull run is this, that. It's exact same things every freaking 4 years, right? So basically, I think the top gonna be in 25. It's exact copy. So yeah, uh, do with my word what you want to do. But again, I'm gonna just kind of go here, and guess I gotta put, uh, I'm gonna withdraw my $2,700, and you can do that, like, and actually, like, I'm planning to make, a lot of people kind of pinged me, requested me to make a course on DeFi, how to provide liquidity in all. So I'm gonna do that, actually. Like, I think that's gonna help a lot of people. A lot of people are still new. They don't know. Thing is, like, there's an impermanent loss, right? And those things are real. You won't see it, but once you feel it, you'll feel it, right? So here I'm gonna basically trying to harvest. I think it may sorry, it may fail, actually, but let's see. I'll try anyway. Approve. Once I approve this, I should have 27, 23 in my wallet. I'm gonna pay some loans. And go from there. Probably like $1,000 I'm gonna pay. But let's see. I don't know why it asks twice. But okay. Oh, God. Okay, it harvested one, and let's see. It 2719, did it reduce significantly? Yeah, that's pretty good. So I have, yeah, as you saw that, right? So as you saw that, I just kind of withdraw 2700, and it's in my wallet. You can see it right here. This is no joke, nothing, right? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pay, um, I'm gonna change USDC to USDC. Usually I'm gonna do in Jupiter, and pay a little bit of my loan. Yeah, but yeah, if you are interested, definitely let me know. Maybe I will just give discount to the peoples who sign up early for my course. But other than that, happy DeFi, actually, right? So I'm gonna do USDC since I'm paying in USDC. And this is pretty easy, pretty straightforward. And if you are not in DeFi, I think you are getting you're missing big. I mean, there's a lot of money you can make in crypto right now. And believe me, it's not gonna be this forever, right? As more and more people jump, your fee's gonna be reduced. There's gonna be more competition. So this is just a kind of .com. Whoever got in first. So now I'm in Safe Finance. I'm gonna just launch app and see. I took a loan to kind of pay, get some crypto, and I'm trying to pay that. And if you see that, I have this. Okay, I'm paying 8%, pretty high right now. So repay, I have 4.37, so I have 1.13. So I'm gonna just pay 1100 right now. I'm gonna pay 1100 USDC, and it will basically my utilization kind of reduce it. But yeah, I don't want to pay interest since I'm not using anything for that liquidity. But this is awesome. Think about it. You can pay loan everything in a second, and it costs you like pennies. Can you do that in traditional finance, right? So you cannot. So I mean, it's there. So boom, it's just done, right? I signed my transaction. It's just waiting for confirmation, and then once done, basically my borrowed 4.3 will be like 3.2, I guess, right? Like 3.2 since I paid 1100. Once it of course confirms. So yeah, pretty awesome actually, right? So pretty awesome. You can do a lot of these things very quickly. Yeah, and also like if you guys want me to cover anything else, and I'll make a video. uh, I'm kind of sick, probably I sound horrible, but I still thought I'm gonna make a video. But I think a lot of great news for the crypto. So yeah, let's go. Thank you. And have a, yeah, you can see that my borrowed already decreased to 3.27. So yeah, I think that's what I'm planning is every time I'm gonna buying some crypto. Today I'm planning to actually add some vendor. Again, this is not advice. You do your own due diligence, your research, but I think vendor does have some potential. I see it, like it has not run. Hopefully it will run, but it may not run. Who knows, right? But I'm still buying some render. But that's it for today. Have a great day. Thank you.